Make the most of your pieces. National Master Dane Madsen. Using your bishops. Bishops are most useful when controlling long, unblocked diagonals. Bishops are particularly useful when you have the both of them, so they can control both light and dark squares. Using your knights. Knights are best in the center, where they can control up to 8 squares. Knights work well with queens and also do a good job blocking pawns. Using your rooks. Put your rooks on open files where they won't be blocked by pawns. Rooks are also good on semi-open files attacking opposing pawns or defending your pawns. Rooks are effective in batteries working together on an open rank or file, especially the 7th rank. Using your queen. Queens are very powerful, but you must be careful not to lose her for less valuable pieces. For that reason, queens often develop a little later than other pieces. The best use of a queen is to target the opposing king with help from other pieces. Using your king. Early in the game, you will want to castle the king to safety. In the endgame, you want to use the king to help escort pawns up the board. When it can be checkmated, the king can be a strong piece. Using your pawns. Pawns have 4 primary uses. First, pawns can control key squares such as the center. If your pawns control the center, the opponent won't be able to put pieces on good squares. Second, pawns are also helpful protecting your own pieces so they cannot be captured. Third, pawns are useful as battering rams to open a path to the opposing king. Fourth, pawns are good for promoting into more powerful pieces. Pieces working together. Like in team sports, all of your pieces should work together for success in chess. One powerful piece will not be able to compete with many pieces working together. How do you like to use your pieces? Let us know in the comments. Thank you very much.